In this video, I will show you how to time track in ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Open one of your projects or spaces and then go to List View. You should see Time Track. If you do not, scroll to the right and select the plus sign. Then search for Time Tracked and add it to your list. To track your time, simply click play and the timer will start. Once you have completed that project, simply stop the timer and your time will then be saved. If you forgot to start the timer, you can also manually add your time by clicking on it and then manually entering the time it took you to complete that specific project. When your timer has started, you will see a second timer on the top. If you click that, you will see a list of all your previous times and how long it took you to complete specific projects. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.